Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by locking down the legal groundwork. Choose an LLC or S-Corp, get an EIN, and secure local security licenses. Once done, arrange liability insurance and a fidelity bond so clients feel safe hiring you. Make sure to set hiring standards and background checks for guards immediately, and map 3 initial service packages with pricing tied to hourly, shift, or contract models so you can begin outreach and quoting. You now build operational muscle. Write SOPs for patrols, incident reporting, and escalation so every guard knows protocol. Once SOPs exist, hire and train staff, certifications, weapon or restraint training if applicable, and role-specific drills. Make sure to choose scheduling and timekeeping software to avoid payroll errors and decide 1099 versus W-2 classifications early. Finally, run pilot shifts with quality checks to iterate your approach before scaling to full client loads. You finish by converting prospects and ensuring sustainable delivery, present risk assessments, tailored proposals, and pilot contracts to prove value. Once a client signs, onboard them with a clear contract, invoicing schedule, and communication plan so expectations match reality. Monitor KPIs like response time and incident rates, and prepare contingency staffing and incident response plans. If things go wrong, staff shortages.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.